This is a Jenn-Air, so I suspect somewhere is the changer to change it out to that.
Okay,
Gas is on. Ooh.
oh, okay.
Looks nicely governed.
Wait, are those your keys or that?
Self-cleaning.
Is it? Are those your keys?
Somebody know
No,
that.
someone else's keys.
Yeah. Oh, tray storage. Pull-out tray storage.
Oh, these, like you put it.
Nice, okay. That looks good.
My kitchen has no food. And I started 2 days ago to reorganize my kitchen and my kitchen is
Organize this way.
phone calls. Okay, I'm out of here. There's stuff everywhere.
There's 2 ways to get out.
And see, they got a cat or a doggy door right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, let's take a look at this. This is coming from the outside.
Yeah, that's the patio.
Okay.
Very nice.
Okay, very good. 1,700 square feet-ish, huh?
Yeah, 17, I want to say 1725. I don't know why.
Yeah, huh? That's very decent. Look at this. And this is a little